is the world's best game. It is more absorbing than a chess, more of a gamble than a poker, and lasts longer than a Monopoly. It is free and can be played anywhere.
In the recent corona crisis, digital platform gained importance. COVID-19 has led to a surge in accelerated digital transformation. Therefore, it is important for us youth to understand and work with the technology around us. So I, Avya Bajaj,
And I, Shivangi Kaushal, of grade 9 of Maxford School Dwarka, have tried to make a digital mathematical game. So let me introduce you to Mathowleen. Oh, it's scary, but it's very interesting, and I'm sure you guys will like it.
fosters the mindset, allowing creativity to grow. We have tried to add fun to maths.
The instructions are as simple as it seems. We have a revolving turret which throws missiles to a rocket that comprises of a health bar which continuously decreases if touched by the missile. The scores are maintained and changed accordingly. For moving the rocket, use the arrow keys. All we are supposed to do in order to win is maintain our health and let the score not be zero, be safe from the missiles and press space key to shoot the turret, making its power health less. If the turret's health is reduced to zero by our shoots, we will win. But if we are attacked by the turret's missiles, leading to our rocket having power zero, then we will lose. The message of win or lose will be displayed accordingly, and the bat here acts as a friendly sprite.
The concept of coordinate geometry in Scratch. While making the game, I used the Scratch coordinate system to determine the location of a sprite on a stage. The X position value determines the horizontal location of the sprite, and the Y position value determines the vertical location or the height. The hyperbolic functions in Scratch using the trigonometry concept. I also use the sin and cos that is a part of trigonometry, as they are helpful to rotate an object and to move the object based on the orientation using variables to represent the position and speed. Like, if I want to increase the velocity of the rockets based on the direction it is facing, sin and cos let me get the x and y components for speed so that I can add or subtract the existing speed that allows me to control the properties of x and y speed when collision occurs.
So let us start the game. I hope all of you are excited for the same. Alright, so what I can see is that the turret is moving and throwing missiles, and my rocket can also throw it back, and I'm moving my rocket with the help of arrow keys, and I just got my score reduced to 9 with the health reducing as well, and my score is 7 and I'm losing terribly, and it's 6 now. I'm supposed to save myself from the turret and reduce turret's health as well with the help of the arrow keys, but I'm not at all good at playing this, and I've reduced the turret's health to 9, but I have lost the game because my health power reduced to 0, whereas the turret's power was still 8. Therefore, I have received this message that you lose and try again. So what we observed here was that the friendly bat kept on moving and the rocket was also moving in a certain direction, which I was controlling with the help of arrow keys. With the help of space keys, I was shooting the turret and the scores were maintained accordingly. Alright, let's try this again.
A few minutes later.
So we are on the equal score. And now our powers have reduced to 7. And now it's okay. And now I'm losing again. So you can play this game n number of times, and it involves certain codes. So the sprites used here were the rocket ship, the turret, the health bar, the missile, the turret health bar, the turret missile, the windscreen as well as the loose screen. So this is the windscreen and this is the loose screen and the badge. If we talk about the costumes, this is the costume of the rocket. For the turret, it's this. For the health bar, we have different costumes. When the bar has been reduced to 0, then this is the costume. When it is reduced to 1, this is the costume. For 2, it's this. So on and so forth. This is the full power costume. And same goes for the turret's health as well. Now this is what is the missile. And this is the bat costume. Wasn't this seemingly cool? This is how we relate maths with coding. Thank you. We hope you like it.